Good morning, Sergeant Barnes. Another nightmare again? No. No, it wasn't. He's looking for you. Okay. Good to see you up so early, James. Yeah, I just couldn't really sleep. Another nightmare. I didn't say that. But it is true, isn't it? Well, it's not. I don't have nightmares. I put all that behind me. No, not worry, Okoye. I have this. Listen to me, James. I know that you have found something. A sense of peace. Not just here in Wakanda, but in your mind. It was a part of you for a long time, and I understand it is hard to fully rid yourself of it. Look, I did so many horrible things. And it's not like I had a choice. Hydra put all that shit in my mind. There was nothing I could do about it. I understand that. But now you have a chance to make amends for your past actions. You are no longer the Winter Soldier, James. Bucky. Bucky. I just want you to know that what you've done does not define who you are. You are mine, Barnes. Sergeant James Barnes. What the hell? The Winter Soldier. Who are you? I am Puss in Boots, and I've been hired to bring you in. How the hell did you find me? I have a very reliable source. Now, as I've said before, to many others, I can bring you in warm, or I could bring you in cold. Those are your options. Come with me now, And judging from that metal arm, you've had your fair share of pain. I'm not the Winter Soldier anymore. I'm just Bucky. Bucky. Right. I have heard of the many things you've done, Winter Soldier. Assassinations, bombings, shootouts, mysterious disappearances. I even heard that there were more of you. That little lab in Siberia. Yes. Who told you this? A very good friend. Now, I do not want things to result in the way you might think they will. Just come with me. We'll find a place for you soon enough. Come on. Your days of murder and intrigue are done. That's not who I am anymore. I gave that up a long time ago. I gave you a choice, Mr. Barnes. Warm or cold? I guess it would be cold. Don't make me do this. Make you do what? All you are doing is just proving the Winter Soldier is still there. Go ahead, gun me down. You've done it to millions of others. How am I any different? I can't. I won't. This would be easy then. Fear me if you This one is very tired. Come on. seems to be waking up. What happened? Where am I? You're in my sister's lap. What? Oh. Ay, Dios mío, what happened? You tried to attack Sergeant Barnes. And I put a stop to it. Oh yes, I remember now. You got in the way of my bounty. Okay, easy. That man is coming back with me. With me. What? Airball. That was disgusting. Wait, why did you help me? Because I know why you are here. Yes, to get him. Now I'm going to do what I know. No, stay back. No. I can do much worse to you. Do not make me. I know why you have come here. Do you? I already told you. I have a job to do. That is not it. You hoped to find something here in Wakanda. Something that will help you. Only you can decipher what it is. I will not put any pressure on you. Come on, James. No, you're staying right here. That cat tried to kill me and you're keeping him around? It is not that simple, Barnes. I saw something in him. He is conflicted. He knows what he is doing is not the right thing to do, but he feels it is the only option. He needs to realize there is another way. He needs time to figure it out. My king, there is news. What kind of news, Okoye? It's him. There was another attack. When did this happen? Not too long ago, my king. Border tribe. Dora Milaje. River tribe. Unnecessary victims. What are we going to do about this? The rest of Wakanda must know. We can't go to war with them. It would not end well for Wakanda. But we cannot just let him kill us off. It is not right. It is not what your father would have done. My father is no longer here, Okoye. I am the king, and I have decided we will not act on this. Are you sure? This could just be the beginning. I am aware of that, James. But we cannot. If we go to war with him, he will not stop. I have heard the legends. He is ruthless. He is insatiable. He despises Wakanda. I know it. We will not. He is blinded by grief. Look, I understand you're the king and we must obey. But something needs to be done about this. I'm afraid not, Okoye. I will not risk a war that will destroy all of Wakanda and its people. What's wrong? You're not gonna tell me, of course. It is a long, difficult story to tell. Right, I'm sure it is. How are you feeling today? Frustrated. Because you prevented me from taking my bounty, and now I'm stuck here. Let us take a walk. I want to show you some things. What is the point of this? I am just trying to show you what it is all about. What is? This, my friend, is Wakanda. Well, it is very nice, but I am still here for a mission, and I intend to fulfill it. You do, but there is still so little you know what you mean. The man you are hunting no longer exists. The Winter Soldier died many years ago. He is not that man anymore. He's still in there. And I'm not leaving until I have him. Then I suppose you're not leaving. Wait. You had the opportunity to just rip me to pieces. Why didn't you? Because I saw something in you. You feel what I feel. You are not just here to get a bounty and leave. You feel something. Perhaps it is regret, shame. I don't know. I'm just here for a job. No, it's more than that. Just think about it. What is it that you want out of this? I just want to help my people. It's because of me that they are in this predicament. I thought if I made money, I could pay them back. They could prosper again. I was willing to do anything to get what I needed. You want to help your people. So do I. We are not too different. Well, I'm not a king, though. But if you want to help your people, maybe going to war is the only way you can help them. No, I will not go through with another costly war. The last time Wakanda was at war, we lost many brave men and women. But this enemy of yours will keep coming back. Maybe. And also, who is this enemy of Wakanda? Namor the Submariner has been an enemy of Wakanda for several years. We've been at war with the forces of Atlantis for 1,000 years. My father, King T'Chaka, once tried to end the war. It led to many casualties. And ever since then, the Submariner has been plotting against us, hoping to one day overthrow our nation. How did you combat such a force? Let's just say we have a special tool. A special tool? You will learn in time. Well, if this Submariner is killing your people, then maybe what you need to do is expand your army. Is there anyone that you know who would be willing to fight for you if you came to them? Well, there is one. No, my king. This is probably not going to go well. He will not agree to this. He might. All right. It is settled. I head for Jabari land. And I want you to come with me.